All right, let's just get right into it. Look, you're uploading incredibly high-quality gaming content, you're spending literal hours editing, and your view count is just flatlining. It's a super frustrating reality for countless creators right now. But today, we're breaking down a completely no-nonsense, highly practical playbook. We've pulled this directly from what top creators are secretly doing to totally dominate the algorithm. We're going to completely dismantle the approach that just isn't working for you right now, and we're going to rebuild it using 3 core strategies that actually drive explosive channel growth. 10, maybe 20 views. I mean, does this sound familiar? You hit publish, you eagerly refresh the page an hour later, and your upload is just sitting right there doing absolutely nothing. The harsh reality of the modern gaming community is that the competition is absolute fire right now. Simply uploading good gameplay is just not enough to get you noticed anymore. You're basically a drop in a massive ocean of content. And it's incredibly painful to pour your heart and soul into a gaming session, only to remain completely invisible to the algorithm. But hey, here's the good news. That plateau, it's not a permanent sentence. It's really just a sign that your current strategy needs a massive upgrade.
Actually, notice what I'm doing right now in this explainer. In the very first seconds, you absolutely must get straight to the point instead of wasting precious time asking viewers to like, share, or subscribe. The whole key to this strategy is to explicitly tell the viewer exactly what they're going to receive or witness at the end. By establishing this goal super early on, you create what's known as a loop. This loop keeps the audience deeply engaged and motivates them to stay until the very end to see that promised result. It's absolutely essential for mastering audience retention because it ensures your viewers remain completely focused on the content rather than just clicking away. And today, your promised result is mastering the 3 secret strategies top creators use to finally break that plateau. So let's dive right into the first major pillar of our playbook. Step 1, the why factor. This is all about your value proposition. You've really got to ask yourself a tough, brutally honest question here. Why should a viewer choose to watch your gameplay when there are literally thousands of established giants already playing the exact same game? You can't just be another player. You have to be a specific flavor. So here are 3 immediate, actionable paths you can take to claim your niche. First off, are you the funny one? Like, are you using hilarious AI voiceovers or just incredible comedic timing to make people laugh out loud? Second, are you the crazy one? Are you pulling off totally unique stunts in simulator games or building insane modified customizations that literally nobody else has even thought of? Or third, are you the informative one? Are you the very first person to break down new updates, analyze patch notes, and uncover hidden secrets within a game? You absolutely need to pick a lane and reflect on what makes your specific approach fundamentally different from the rest.
I love this because it brilliantly illustrates the core philosophy you have to adopt. The game is just a medium. The real reason they watch is you. Seriously, it's a massive rookie mistake to play 5 completely different games a week when you're just starting out. Do not try to expand too early. You need to pick one popular game and build a fiercely loyal audience around your specific personality and your highly specific niche within that one game. Once they fall in love with you as a creator, then, and really only then, can you start bringing them along for the ride into other games.
All right, moving right along to step 2, master the click and retain. At the end of the day, the platform's algorithm is entirely mathematical. It basically cares about 2 huge things: click-through rate, which is how many people actually saw your thumbnail and decided to click it, and audience retention, which is how long they actually stuck around to watch. If you mastered these 2 metrics, you master the algorithm. Just look at this comparison. On one side, we have exactly what fails: a super boring, simple screenshot pulled directly from the game, completely cluttered with way too much text. It's totally invisible to a scroller. But on the other side, we have what works: a highly attractive, high-contrast thumbnail. Notice how it instantly tells a story. If you're doing the crazy vehicle modification challenge, that thumbnail needs to literally radiate suspense. We're talking bright colors, very minimal text, and it absolutely must visually communicate a burning question that the viewer just has to get answered by clicking. Now, once they do click, we're right back to the loop, like we talked about earlier. In those crucial first 30 seconds, get straight to the point. Stop asking viewers to like or subscribe right out of the gate. Honestly, they owe you nothing at that point. This is the absolute core of mastering audience retention. It guarantees your viewers remain locked onto the content rather than getting bored and clicking away. Just like I promised you the 3 secret strategies at the start of this very explainer, you need to explicitly promise your viewer the epic boss fight, the result of that crazy stunt, or the final hidden secret. Hooking them with that specific goal early on keeps them focused, prevents drop-off, and absolutely skyrockets your audience retention. Which brings us to our final pillar. Step 3, smart SEO and short-form leverage. Okay, here's a pretty tough truth to swallow. As a brand new channel, you just cannot rely on the homepage browse features to randomly push your content. The algorithm simply doesn't trust you yet. So you have to be incredibly smart about how you distribute your stuff. You must target search-friendly topics. Think about it. When a brand new game update drops or a massive gaming event happens, thousands of players are immediately rushing to the search bar to find information, right? That is your golden window. You need to create content around those trending updates instantly. By capitalizing on that specific search traffic and using the exact right keywords and tags in your title and description, you ensure that your video is the very first thing that pops up when a player is hunting for that fresh information. But hey, search isn't your only weapon here. Long-form videos definitely take some time to gain traction, but short-form content, that can go viral in a matter of hours. So here is a highly actionable step-by-step funnel you need to start implementing today. Step 1. Scrub through your long-form video and cut out the absolute best, funniest, or most thrilling 30 seconds. Step 2. Upload that exact clip as a short and add a highly suspenseful caption that cuts off right before the climax. Step 3. Pin the link to your full long-form video right there at the top of the comments. You are essentially using the massive, rapid reach of shorts to act like a giant billboard, funneling all those highly curious viewers directly into your longer content. It's brilliant. Now listen, absolutely none of these strategies matter without this one number right here, 30. Channel growth does not happen overnight. It is a real grind. But if you take these 3 strategies, finding your totally unique why factor, mastering the click and creating the loop, and leveraging smart SEO and shorts, and you apply them relentlessly to every single upload for the next 30 days, well, that is exactly when the magic happens. That's when you finally break that plateau and start seeing a massive, undeniable difference in your analytics. Think of it as a 30-day consistency challenge. And honestly, you need to start it today. So I want to leave you with this final kind of provocative question. What specific problem are you facing with your channel right now? Seriously, are you struggling to make your thumbnails pop? Is your retention totally dropping off after the first minute? Think about how these 3 specific steps apply to your personal roadblock. Drop your current challenge down in the comments, let's get a real conversation going, and let's figure out how to break through it together. Take this playbook, apply it consistently, and I guarantee you're going to start seeing those views climb. Keep gaming, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.